hoaxer button with some howls made that dude stop right there. Perfect, about 100 yards, folded up like a lawn chair. That's how I like to start my mornings off. How about y'all?
Yes, I'm on him. Nice.
Crushed him.
Nice.
Got it down, man. I just let out a howl. And like Holly says, don't move, there's a coyote 100 yards on the hill. And sure enough, we had to wait.
Right here, there's another one.
Okay.
Don't move. There's another one.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, right up the bush, about 100 yards right here, past the creek right here.
Yeah.
He's just staring.
Don't move then.
All right, move.
Where?
It's 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
Oh, you were seeing us. He's 221. All right, I'm gonna kill him.
Okay.
Crushed him. I know.
All right, I'm on him.
Keep calm, he wants to go. You on it? I'm gonna smack him.
Yeah, I'm on him.
Triple down.
Nice.
We got 3 coyotes down on this stand, man.
Hey guys, so that was a rapid stand, wasn't it?
Intense.
That was crazy. We sat down, got the collar out. Josh let, what, one little sound out?
One little howl.
Yep, and about that time, I'm checking my camera. I'm getting it turned on, you know, just making sure everything is ready. And I look to my right, and there is a coyote literally on the hill right behind Josh's head.
Same hill we're on.
Yeah, I had to tell him, don't move, you know, so that coyote could come down the hill a little bit to give him a shot.
We didn't move, and that coyote committed and came on down here. Perfect. Shot that one, and I'm sitting there on the camera talking about how wild that was that it happened that way. When Holly says, don't move, there's another coyote.
Yep, I'm always looking. Like when I'm on coyote stand, you know, especially in the early part of the stand, you know, you let a howl out, you know, they could be coming from any direction. And that's what happened on that stand right there.
Yep, and then we went into some pup distress after the second coyote hit the ground, and here comes another coyote over top the hill, came all the way into 170 yards, and we put that one on the ground as well. Triple down.
Hey Josh, what's that can called?
Oh yeah, so we're running a new suppressor on this stand on the same 6.5 Creedmoor. This is the new Diligent Defense DTF-LTI 8.6. I've got the 6.5 end cap on this thing. It is super quiet, and as you can tell, piles speak the performance. Smoked that coyote, man. Right here. Got him. Right here. Right in front of that collar. Coyote down.
I was trying to video it.
She was trying to video it.
Did you get it?
No. I couldn't find Coyote. It wasn't steady.
Yeah.
Well, you tried anyway. Got the whole crew with me today. Highland Aspen. We called this coyote in about 120 yards.
Yep, he came in fast. I mean, like,
Right on top of us, fine.
yeah. Nobody moved, did they? Male or female?
Female. All right.
Daddy put a good shot on, didn't he?
Sent a punch in the chest there. Oh my gosh. Dude, just crushed that coyote.
Man, I think.
Picked him off the ground, looked like to me. I'm shooting a 358 Winchester AR-10. All right, first coyote down with the Wilson Combat 358 Winchester. And as you can tell, there's some serious blood on the ground out of this 200 grain Lehigh Defense tipped controlled Chaos bullet. This bullet has multiple petals that fracture off the top half and the base drives through. It's a really good big game bullet for bear, deer, elk, moose, you name it. The 358 Winchester is going to put it on the ground. And coyotes. I wasn't expecting these bullets to expand that quickly in such a, you know, a narrow chest cavity of a coyote, but man, they really opened up. You can see where the bullet went in. Right here, looks like a heart shot. In the other side, there is a massive hole, and we also have 2 petals that exit. I'm not going to show it, but as you can tell, it did an amazing job. Let's stop.
Oh gosh, Josh, you got to stop. Do it on the right.
Well,
Yes. Got it. Alright. Good shot. See, I'm on the other one, so it's kind of wrong way.
Okay, didn't want to stop, did he?
nope. We got one down. That was a fun stand. I let out a howl, got a response, went to some pup distress. Here comes some coyotes. I shot that first one. The other ones took off and never checked up over the hill, but overall, we got one coyote. We'll come back and get the other ones. All right, check out this big old coyote. Beautiful pale. Frontal shot, dropped it right in its tracks. Looks like a big male. It sure is. Look at this coyote, you guys. This is a tank. On to another stand.
He's up there at the green, see?
How far is that? 542.
Take him.
I will if I can.
Away.
Stupid.
Hey, there's a one. Try him again. He's going up in his tail. You hit him. He's down.
Right there.
He's down.
I didn't know I hit him, man.
So I thought you hit him.
542 yards, man. Got him down. Didn't even know I hit the thing, but he just ran off and fell over dead as a hammer.
I'm gonna say shoot him again.
Alright. No need for that.
He's coming back in. Josh, he's coming back in.
Smell us again. See him right there?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh.
Yes.
Right there. Dead coyote. 200 yards. All right, we got a coyote down. Here's that one I shot, a little over 200 yards. You see the entry hole right here? Looks like a good sized male. Exit hole was pretty messy on the other side, so I ain't gonna show you that. See, we were sitting right there underneath that tree, just under skyline.
I'm on it. Here's that coyote just shot right here.
Here's that coyote I shot, a little over 170 yards. Front shot, dropped it right in his tracks.